Well, good morning, folks.
Good morning.
The weather's changed. It's lovely and sunny again.
It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
So we're just standing at the end of the little pier opposite the lake, and it's beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous. It's so warm, so peaceful.
Yeah.
It's a lovely spot, isn't it?
I've just realised we don't have a lot of power left in the camera. So I need to go and charge it back up again.
Yeah, we'll show you around the place. Though.
Yeah, we're going to go for a walk off the site. There's a little road that takes you beyond the other side of this lake. We're going to have a little walk around there.
We'll take you with us.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's absolutely gorgeous. That's the pool in front of us up there.
I want you to stay. I want you to stay, honey. I want you to stay.
And you've got sunbeds by the pool, sunbeds below the pool. Here we're on.
Every time you leave, well, I just can't wait.
Well, life keeps dragging me on, I've got to go. There's so much to see in this world, I just have to know.
I want you to stay, honey, I want you to stay. I want you to stay, honey, I want you to stay. I'm lost when you leave.
I love these swings. These swing seats at the bar.
What this could be. Every time you smile, you know, you take me away. It's something I could say.
Bonjour madame, une bière et un cocktail?
So here we are for lunch.
Well, that was a nice lunch.
That was a lovely lunch, really nice.
The menu is pretty much the same as it was yesterday.
Yeah,
the day before.
yeah.
We did see people coming out with hamburgers, onion rings, but it certainly wasn't on the menu. Whether we just had to ask for it or not, I don't know.
But what we had was nice.
It was very nice.
We are thinking of staying for another night.
Yeah, we're going to stay one more night because the weather is supposed to be nice tomorrow as well.
It's beautiful sat here. It's a little bit breezy. The breeze has got up today.
Yeah, it's really quite windy now.
But this has got to be the best picnic table ever.
And yesterday
The view's beautiful.
it was as calm as anything.
Yeah, but it was
Probably
wet.
why it was cloudy because there was no wind to blow the clouds away.
Yeah.
Was there?
Certainly blown them away today.
Yeah. So this is the view we've got at the moment. Absolutely gorgeous it is.
It's got to be the best positioned,
Yeah.
best positioned picnic table ever. And this is the little eating area, well, one of the snack areas. We were actually up at the top there eating, but down the bottom's a little snack area. And there's the infinity pool there, which we haven't been in because it's not heated and it's supposed to be 20 degrees, which isn't warm enough for us. But we are thinking of going in for a swim in the indoor pool, aren't we, Stephen?
Yeah.
Which should be quite nice.
Not at the moment because I think I would just sink.
I've eaten so much.
That's really stuffed. So I think I'm going to go back and have a little nap.
Sounds like a plan. Well, it's turned into a bit of a scorcher today. It's absolutely beautiful. Just while it's quiet, I wanted to just take you in and show you the toilets and showers. Absolutely immaculate. Sinks. You lose. And like a lot of the toilets in France, they are men and women. They're absolutely beautiful. And the showers. Absolutely loads of them. The sinks. Your own basin, your own little bin. Shower area. For campsite toilets and showers, they're immaculate. And we've watched the guys come down every, I don't know, half an hour, just checking them, making sure they're okay. Really, really spotless. And there's my husband and my doggie chilling in the sunshine. Charlie's finding it too hot. Too hot, Charlie. Not too hot for you though, is it, Stephen?
No, right.
Just right.
You've been perving in the toilets again.
Pardon?
You've been perving in the toilets.
I've been perving in the toilets again, yes. We're just taking Charlie a little walk down to the lake. It's incredibly bright, isn't it, Stephen?
Mm.
He's on his very big lead so he can get a bit of freedom. These are all the little chalets that you can hire. Charlie's been very hot, so I thought we'd take him for the little paddle and give him his long lead so he can have a deeper paddle. And we're not getting in.
Every time I leave, I think
It
of
must be nice and cooling for him.
On his belly anyway.
baby. I know
He's a good boy.
Good lad.
Oh, the sun's gone behind the light, the little cloud.
you to stay, honey. I want you to stay. I want you to stay, honey.
We found out these little
No.
canoes and pedalos are €16 an hour to take out on the lake. At first we thought it was quite a lot, but when you cut it down, there's two of you in the pedalo. I think you can get two or three in the canoes. So it's not bad, I suppose.
What this could be,
What this could be.
what this could be.
What this could be.
Go in. Go on in.
Go on then, go in, swim. Go in. Good boy. No, don't jump up on me, go away. No.
Go chase a stick.
Wait. No, he's not having it. I've been for my paddle.
Want you to stay, honey.
There's stuff here. Is that material?
Yeah.
Strange.
I want you to stay, honey. I want you to stay.
I'm lost when you leave. Waiting to see what this could be.
So you enjoying your little walk at the lake?
Very nice.
It is nice. It's a little bit breezy, but actually that's nice because
There.
otherwise it'd be stifling. Sorry, I cut that short there.
Yeah.
Had to get the poo bag ready. Yeah, I'm just saying I'm grateful for that little breeze because otherwise it would just be blisteringly hot. But considering there's quite a lot of people here at the minute, Stephen, isn't there?
Yeah.
It just seems so quiet. It is lovely. These are all little places you can rent up here. And most of the ones in the front anyway, have got beautiful views of the lake. And that's the indoor swimming pool up there and reception. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but I think there's a road that you can come down and you can go down the other side. To walk to it from here you need to go out of the campsite and walk round, because for security they've got gates locked at both sides of the campsite, which is not a bad thing really, is it? Oh, there's a big stick down there, Stephen. Just wondering how you can take that one back. Beautiful, isn't it? It really is beautiful.
We're in the snack bar. We're in the snack bar and I'm having a beer.
We certainly are. Well, I'm not having a beer. I'm having an ice cream. I just sat by the lake in the snack bar. It was beautiful. Wish you were here.
Very nice.
And this is the view from the snack bar. I'm falling off of it actually. Too high for me. It's very high. It's better. Here's Charlie at his happiest. What have you got, Charlie? You got a stick? Ah, he's found a stick. He's found a stick. You won't let it go. No. Charlie, a naughty boy. Give it to Daddy and he'll throw it for you. No. Go get it. Go get it. Good boy. Good boy. Just don't pull me in with you. Oh, where's it gone, Charlie? Oh. What a shame. Did it sink, my baby? Oh, you got that one. Clever boy.
Clever boy, Charlie. Clever boy.
Got a bit of a mixture going on here tonight, doing a spot of dinner. So we're going to have some chicken breast, the scallops, some potatoes and veg with a cheese sauce, and some risotto. So using up a lot of bits and pieces that are in the fridge. A lot of planning goes into doing food in a camper van. You've got to think of all the bits and pieces you'll need, and a bit like home but just a little bit more complicated. So I've got the ridge monkey for the chicken, I've got the pot for the veggies, I've got the microwave for the risotto. Excuse me, I'm just going to wash my hands. Okay, so just waiting on the potatoes before I start on the chicken. Okay, so let's start putting this out.
good morning.
Good morning. Welcome back.
Not very sunny this morning.
It's not. It's a bit cooler this morning. But having said that, we are midway through September, and the forecast in Britain at the minute is horrendous winds and rain. So we're not doing too bad.
Yeah, we're doing all right.
He's still in his shorts and t-shirt. I feel the cold, but I'm in sort of crop trousers, really thin ones, and a little cardigan. Yeah, it's not too bad.
So we're moving on today. We've been here 4 nights.
We have.
We haven't done a lot.
We planned
We've
3, didn't we?
Yeah,
But
we did. We planned 3, but then we decided to stay another night because the weather was going to be nice, and it was nice, wasn't
It
it?
was beautiful, extremely
It was hot. Yeah.
But there's not a lot to do here. But if you just wanted to have a chill when you've been on the road for a little while,
Yeah.
it's definitely worth a stop. You'll have seen the beautiful lake and the lovely swimming pools, and yeah, it's a lovely place.
Yeah.
So time to move on now.
Time to move on.
So
We're heading for Cockapoo. We want to go and have a look at the Citadel,
yeah.
which is a walled city.
Mhm.
I've been there before. Quite looking forward to it.
Yeah, it's supposed to be really nice. I'll just cut for a minute.
Yeah, so we found a little area, which is about a 20-minute walk from the actual Citadel itself. And we're going to give that a try.
Yeah, it's supposed to be, it's got water services and things like that, but that's about it. But that's fine, that's
If
what
we
we
can
need.
get in.
If we can get in.
Yeah.
But Carcassonne, I've just looked up some information on it. It became a border fortress between France and the Crown of Aragon under the 1258 Treaty of Corbeil. King Louis IX founded the new part of the town across the river, and he was a successor to Philip III, and he built the outer ramparts. So it sounds quite, if there's a lot of it still standing, it sounds as if it would be really, really nice to see and make good footage for you guys, so hopefully it'll be nice.
Contemporary opinion still considered the fortress to be impregnable.
Really? Wow, that's interesting. Okay,
Right.
so it's about an hour from here, so not too far. What time is it just now? It's 9:30 in the morning. We're all packed up, really ready to go, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going to
We
leave
just
about
want
10:30. We're
to drop our wastewater and
Yeah.
leave about 10:30, and fingers crossed we manage to get parked up. Because if anywhere's going to be busy, that's where it is. But hopefully if it's out season a little bit, and it's a Tuesday, so through the week, so we're hoping it'll be a little bit quieter. So we're going to finish this one here, and we'll pick you up in the next one. So if you fancy having a tour around Carcassonne with us, which I think will be amazing, so don't miss it. Please come back and join us in the next one.
Don't forget to give us a like
Oh, please.
and subscribe.
If you're not subscribed, can you please subscribe? So many of our watchers, our viewers, are not subscribed, and we're just a little channel. We're not even got 400 subscribers, and it would just be nice to get a few more. We don't do it for a living, we don't do it for business, we don't get any income from it, we just do it for fun, and we'd love you guys to come along with us. So we'll catch you in the next one.
Absolutely.
See you then.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.